Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Blanca. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how you can still wear a full face of makeup while wearing a mask and have it not go all over your mask and just be nasty. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and like this video as well. And yeah, that's it. So let's just jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so I've already done my eyes because honestly, you could just do your eyes however you want. Clip your bangs out of the way if you have bangs. These, by the way, are such great little clips. They hold your bangs back, or even if you have already styled your hair and then you want to do your makeup and you need to clip your hair out of the way, these are really good because they don't create any kinks or anything. They are from Amazon. I will link them down below in case you're interested and you want to buy them. Okay, so you want to go ahead and moisturize. I've already moisturized. The moisturizer I did use today, in case you guys are curious, is this one here by OLEHENRIKSEN. It's Sea Rush Gel Cream. Next, this is like the most important step. Do not skip out on this step because I feel like this is what makes your makeup just stay put and not move. And it's this little guy right here. This is the NIVEA Men Sensitive Skin Aftershave Balm. This is like key. You need this and it's super cheap. And this contains glycerin. Glycerin, is that how you say it? It is a little bit oily at first, but once your skin starts absorbing it, you will start to notice that your skin will start to feel a little bit tacky, and that's what you want. Next is foundation. So I recommend using a matte foundation. I find that using a matte foundation is the best, and the one that I like to use is the one by Milani. So it's the 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and you just need a tiny bit, like 1, 2. So about that much. And I'm going to use a sponge to apply it. Doesn't really matter if you use a sponge or a brush. I'm just going to be taking this e.l.f. concealer. It's the Hydrating Camo Concealer. I just recently got this and I love it so much. I'm just going to apply that underneath my eyes a tiny bit. And I'm not going to apply any here or here on my nose. I'm just going to apply some right here and maybe a little bit on my forehead. And the reason I'm not going to apply any on the tip of my nose is because the more makeup you put on your nose while wearing a mask, the more it'll, transfer onto your mask. At least for me anyways, because my nose is a little bit oily, so I try not to put too much makeup on my nose. Okay, so next is powder. This is so important that you need to powder down all the liquid you just put on your face. So my absolute favorite setting powder is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. This powder just never fails me, and it smells like peaches. And I'm just pushing the product into my skin. I'm not swirling, I'm not swiping, I'm just bouncing the brush on my face and kind of pushing it into my skin at the same time. Okay, so up next is bronzer. I'm going to be using the one by NYX, and it's just this one right here, and it's in medium. So since the mask is going to be covering most of your face, you don't have to bring it all the way down like you normally would. Just go right here and just blend that in, just like that. And then bring it up here onto my forehead a little bit, just to give me some color and definition. And then I'm also still going to contour my nose, even though you're not really gonna see it. I don't know, I just still contour it anyways, but it's not necessary, so you don't have to do this part if you don't want to. Next up is blush. So I like to use my Sephora Winter Flush blush, and I don't think this is available anymore, but yeah, you don't necessarily have to use this specific one, but I do like to use this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Golden Flower Crown, and I'm just going to apply it up here on the high points of my cheeks, and then I just put it right here on the bridge of my nose. Avoid putting any highlight on the tip of your nose because it'll just rub right off, and it'll also take your foundation off. So, and then if you want to wear lipstick, you can, you don't have to. I would recommend wearing a liquid lipstick, a matte one. So I'm first going to just line my lips with this Essence lip liner in Deeply Intoxicated. And the liquid lipstick I'm going to be using, which I find lasts the longest, is, where is it? By NYX, and it's the NYX Lingerie. This one is in Push Up. I find that this one just does not come off your lips. Okay, once that's on, just let it dry. The next important crucial step is setting spray. So I would recommend using a setting spray that is matte. Yeah, you don't want to use like a dewy setting spray or one that has like sparkles in it, so that it keeps your makeup looking matte, and it also helps with your oils, especially if you have oily skin. Just use a matte setting spray. So the one that I'm going to be using, which I really like, is by Wet n Wild. It's super affordable. Where did I put it? This one. This one by Wet n Wild is amazing. It keeps my makeup on all day long. So the pump on this is broken. Usually it sprays way nicer. Oh. Hello? Oh. Ooh, maybe if I change the cap on it. Hang on, you guys. All right, we're back in business. All right, and that's it, you guys. So I'm going to put my mask on just because I want to show you guys how it won't transfer. It does like a tiny bit, but it's not going to be like, I've seen people, their masks are like full of makeup, and I'm like, oh my God. Okay, so here's my mask. I'm just going to pop it on for you guys. And I know I'm only gonna have it on for like a couple seconds, but trust me, after 8 hours, there will be like such a small transfer on your mask. Like it's not gonna be a crazy amount. Just do what I did in this video and there will be minimal transfer on your mask. So I'm gonna take it off now just to show you guys how much came off. So just like a tiny bit, but not much. A little bit of lipstick and a little bit like around my nose, but not much at all. This method works. I was doing it for a couple days there because I did end up switching to the shield because the mask was just like way too hot. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs it up. You can follow me on Instagram as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care and stay safe out there.